Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to convert vertical data into the horizontal. First select all your data which you want to convert into the horizontal and press Ctrl C for copy the data. And I want to display here the horizontal data. Just press Alt ES. It will display the paste a special dialog box. Now select the transpose and click OK. It will convert these vertical data into the horizontal way. You can see here. That's way you can convert vertical your data into the horizontal. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.